are here with
Eric Livier from NAPA CMAX.
And we're at CCIF Toronto right now. So Eric, could you tell me what NAPA is showcasing today at CCIF?
Well, we're showcasing all the new technology that is required to fix cars. So we're a distributor for a national distributor for paint and sundries, as well as equipment. So we sell Exalto paint products, as well as the 3M product, Mirka, Norton, and all these sundries. On the equipment side, we have a wide range of equipment for all the new technology, like for the ADAS, the electrical vehicle. So all this is actually being portrayed here at the CCIF in Toronto.
Awesome, that's great. So do you have any predictions for 2020? I know you guys said technology, automation, and that's what you guys are focusing on, but what other predictions do you have for 2020 in the industry?
What other, oh my God,
Trends or disruptions, anything like that, all of the above.
Yeah, disruption will be, I think we're seeing a lot more of the electric cars coming onto marketplace, so that's kind of changing the game in the repair process, as well as the LiDAR ADAS systems, so calibration systems, so it requires a lot more knowledge as well as training. So that's what we're seeing right now. Our training, we have a side of our company where we offer training to end users, so mechanical or collision shop. It's called Autotech, and I can tell you that the ADAS seminar are fully booked every time.
Wow.
And these are offered throughout the country, so if anybody wants to sign up, just look out for NAPA Autotech, because these seminars are really, really very, very good.
Awesome. So does NAPA take any other initiatives other than the training courses like that, or in terms of adapting to technology?
Yes, we are always looking for new technology. We're always learning, and also we're looking at what the market needs in terms of what the OEMs are coming out with to adapt ourselves with what they're doing. So on any type of vehicles.
Okay. So just to get a little personal for a second, what are you most excited about for 2020 in the collision repair industry?
Well, I think it's all this new technology that we're talking about. It's bringing a new, a really positive spin on it. It's not just repairing a car, like painting a car. It's looking at all this new technology and learning and transmitting this information to the marketplace. So it's kind of exciting because it's something new.
Yeah.
So
uncharted territory.
Yes, exactly.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Eric. It was a pleasure speaking to you, and have a great time tonight.
You too, as well.
Awesome.
Same as you.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.